no more dirty brushes for your makeup. You haven't cleaned them yet? Then stay with us because I'm going to give you some tips of how to keep them clean without spending $1. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica with MH Divine Beauty. Here we talk everything about beauty, makeup, DIYs, microblading, and much more. In today's video, we're going to talk everything about our makeup brushes. Okay, why do we need to clean our brushes? Well, because in our brushes, with all the makeup and the oil and all the products that you use before you apply your makeup, it goes in there. And after a while, it produces bacteria. That bacteria will transfer it back to your skin, and that produces more acne, blackheads, and your makeup is not going to be as flawless as you like. Okay, I'm going to show you what I use to clean my brushes. I use this little container from an Italian sauce, it's recycled. Dish soap. Remember, you don't have to use this. I use it because I love it. It takes care of the oil and the debris really fast, and is very gentle to my brushes. But if you don't like to use this, you can use baby shampoo, you can use your own shampoo, whatever is good for you. This works really good for me. I use this little silicone heart. You don't have to have it. If you don't have it, I'm gonna show you how to make something like this with this container, okay? So this is all you're gonna need to clean your brushes. You need some water, and you need to clean them once a week. Very important. Don't forget to clean them once a week, okay? So now we're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna clean our brushes, and you see how easy and fast it is. Okay, this is what you need to clean your brushes. You need a glass container like this one. This one is a recycled from an Italian sauce, but make sure it's glass. It cannot be plastic, okay? You're going to need some water, paper towels, and dish soap. I love this one because it dissolves the makeup really good from your brushes. You're gonna need some silicone figure. It can be a heart, can be any shape, but make sure it has some texture to it so the brushes are clean really easy. If you don't have it, at the end of this video we're gonna do a DIY so you can have it. And of course your brushes. Okay, first we're going to put some water here and about a tablespoon of dish soap, a little bit more maybe, and a little bit more water. Now you take one of your brushes and mix the water with the soap, and as you can see, the makeup, debris, and oil from the brush is coming off really easy, and that's what we want. Okay, now you put all your brushes in the container. Make sure they're all in vertical position, so they're all touching, they're all in water, and they're all touching the bottom part of the container, just like this, okay? Now a little bit more water. Make sure you don't fill them up all the way because you don't want to touch the water touches the white part of the brushes. That's the wood part, just about here. That's enough. And it takes about 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, 5 minutes have passed. Now it's time to clean our brushes very gently. See how the textures in the silicone heart helps a lot to dissolve all the debris from the brush. And see, now we have a very clean brush. Let's have another one. There you go. Now let's see, maybe a little bit more. Okay, clean, nice. Okay, make sure when we do this, you do it very gently, okay? For this video, I'm going a little bit fast, but we don't want to damage our brushes. Our brushes are precious, so very gentle. Here we go, we're almost done. Nice and clean. Now you can see all the debris, makeup and oil is there. So rinse your container really good and do not use it for anything else. Just put it on the side and save it for just your makeup brushes, okay? There you go. Now we have our brushes nice and clean. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They're a little dark right now because they're wet, but when they get dry, they're gonna be nice and ready to go. There you go. Beautiful. I love my brushes. Okay, now is the time to have them dry. You just take the excess of water from the brushes, and as you can tell, there's no makeup there. Very clean, very nice. And remove the excess of water very gently, okay? Remember, this process is a gentle process. Nice. All right, they're ready to go. Let them dry overnight and we'll be ready. Okay, now the DIY. If you don't have this silicone heart, I'm going to show you how to make something like this from this. And we're going to use the lid of the glass container. And what we're going to do, we're going to put all the same texture that it's in the heart. Right now, I'm going to show you very closely. And you're going to use one glue gun. If you don't have it, I recommend you to get it. It's very cheap. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Michael's. Anywhere you want to get it. It's right there. So we're going to do some lines. And remember, we're going to try to mimic these lines and little dots, so we create some dimension in the lid. There you go. Let's do some lines over here. And make sure they're kind of thick. Okay, remember we want to get some dimension in between lines and dots, so the bristles of our brushes can get in there and they can get very clean. There you go. Now let's do some little dots here. Let me put it down. Dots. Okay, let's do some bigger dots. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do anything you want. You can do some stars. You can do just big dots, small dots, just lines. Anything will work. Just something like this. Couple more here. One here. And it's ready. Okay, so if you don't have the silicone, this is what you need. Can you see it? Let me see. All right, well, I hope you like it. Now you have it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe down here and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time we have a new video. Give us a thumbs up and remember, clean your brushes once a week. Okay? Have a beautiful life. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.